operate 35 non-stop flights from Hong Kong, Beijing, and Shanghai to Frankfurt and Munich. We recently increased the connections between Shanghai and Frankfurt, so we have a daily connection, a double daily connection from Frankfurt to Shanghai, besides our daily connections to Munich. So we are really happy about the development, and we are in position to even increase our capacity to China, and we see the increasing demand. And our continuously increase of capacity to China demonstrates our strong belief in the China market and the strong connection between China and Germany. I think Germany has a big trust and we believe in the China market, and that's the reason why we continuously increase our partnership with China. So we have a great partnership with Air China, and we're eager to even increase our flights and our frequencies to fly to China. So we are really proud to be part of the partnership and the friendship with China.